Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on logging out of the PlayStation Network on a PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Signing out of PSN on PS4 is easy. From the main dashboard of your PS4, move up to the top to get to the control menu. Move all the way to the right and open Settings. In Settings, select Account Management. The first option here is to sign out. Click that to log out of PSN. You have now been logged out of PSN, and you will need to log in again before you can use it in the future. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.